Today I will show you how you can add a Favicon to 2021 WordPress theme. To add a Favicon to your website, first go to your WordPress admin. Here go to appearance, then go to customize. Wait for the customizer to load. Now in the customizer, go to site identity. Here scroll down to the bottom and click on select site icon. Now here you can upload your own Favicon. I already have one in my media library, so I'm gonna select that. Click on select. You'll need to now crop it to a size that you want. You can crop it or leave it as it is. After that, click on the crop image button. The Favicon should now appear on your website. Now to save it, just click on the publish button. Now refresh your website to see the changes. There you go. That's how you can add a Favicon to your 2021 WordPress theme. Now if you need any more help with this tutorial, then you can comment down below in the comment section. Thank you.